Standard 6, topic number 8, divisibility. In this topic we have to learn the divisibility. Divisibility means विभाज्यता. विभाज्यता म्हणजे नेमकं काय, ह्या संदर्भातील सर्व माहिती आज आपण या ठिकाणी पाहणार आहोत. First of all, there is a one point is given on the paper. Write the divisibility test for 2, 5 and 10. आपल्याला ह्याच्यामध्ये 2 आणि 5 आणि 10 या संदर्भामध्ये त्याची विभाज्यता नेमकी कोणकोणती आहे हे आपल्याला थोडंसं बघून घ्यायचं आहे. Read the numbers given below. Which of these numbers are divisible by 2, 5 or by 10? Write them in the empty boxes. आता जे काही खाली नंबर्स दिलेले आहेत, you have to see there are some numbers on the papers. 125, 364, 475, 750, 800, 628, 206, 508, 7009, 5345, 8710. Divisibility by 2, by 5 and divisibility by 10. These three topics are given here and these numbers are given, and these numbers which divisible by 2, 5 and 3 you have to made it. वरील जे काही नंबर्स वगैरे दिले आहेत ते नंबर्स या ठिकाणी 2, 5 आणि 10 या संदर्भात कोणत्या संख्येने भाग जाऊ शकतो हे आपल्याला शोधायचं आहे. हे भाग जाणे शोधण्यासाठी आपल्याला सर्वप्रथम पाढे पाठ असणे खूप गरजेचं आहे. पाढे जर समजा पाठ असतील तर आपल्याला हे डिव्हिजिबल म्हणजे विभाज्यता त्यांची ठरवणे आपल्याला सोपं जात असतं. पुढील माझ्या काही चार्टमध्ये ह्या संदर्भातील एक पाढ्या संदर्भातील एक चार्ट तक्ता मी दिलेला आहे, हे आपण बघून घ्यायचं आहे. आता या ठिकाणी देर इज ए डिव्हिजिबिलिटी टेस्ट इज गिवन हिअर. इन दिस फर्स्ट कॉलम देर इज नंबर्स, सम ऑफ द डिजिट्स इन द नंबर्स, इज द सम डिव्हिजिबल बाय 3 आणि इज द गिवन नंबर डिव्हिजिबल बाय 3. आता ह्या ठिकाणी जे काही चार्ट्स दिले आहेत ह्या चार्ट्समध्ये जे काही 3 नंबर्स 3 कॉलम्स दिले आहेत हे आपण थोडंसं बघून घ्यायचं आहे. 8, 7, 2 याच्यामध्ये याच्यातील पहिला अंक थोडंसं बघूया. 6 आणि 3 दिला आहे. 6 आणि 3 किती झाले? 9. म्हणजे बेरीज किती झाली आहे तर या ठिकाणी 9 झाली आहे. इज द सम डिव्हिजिबल बाय 3 म्हणजे 6 आणि 9, 9 या संख्येला 3 भाग जाऊ शकतो का तर यस, 3 त्रिक 9 भाग जाऊ शकतो असं म्हटलेलं आहे या ठिकाणी. इज द गिवन नंबर डिव्हिजिबल बाय 3 असं म्हटलेलं आहे काय तर हो असं या ठिकाणी उत्तर आलेलं आहे. आता या ठिकाणी खाली थोडंसं बघा, या ठिकाणी पुन्हा एक संख्या दिलेली आहे. 8, 7 आणि 2 दिलेले आहे, म्हणजेच या संख्यांची बेरीज किती झाली तर 17. या ठिकाणी डिव्हिजिबल बाय 3 आहे का? ह्या 17 या संख्येला 3 भाग जाऊ शकतो का तर नाही. या ठिकाणी जाऊ शकते काय तर नाही. अशा पद्धतीने ह्या सर्व संख्यांची बेरीज इथं लिहायचं आणि ह्या संख्येला 3 भाग जातो का तर जात असेल तर यस, नसेल तर नो. अशा पद्धतीने हा चार्ट पूर्ण करायचा आहे. यू हॅव टू draw, you have to complete these charts on the page number 43. It is very important to you, and you have to first up make it recite all the numbers tables also. Okay, write down. This is a chart. This is a chart of is based on the number tables also. It is very important to you. With the help of the solving the divisibility numbers. विभाज्यताच्या संदर्भातील उदाहरणे सोडवण्यासाठी हा तक्ता आपल्याला खूप महत्त्वाचा आहे. यातील जे काही नंबर्स पाढे वगैरे असतील हे आपण पाठ करून ठेवायचे आहेत, जेणेकरून आपल्याला ते उपयोगात येऊ शकतील. दिस नंबर टेबल इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट टू यू. आय गिव्ह सम टाईम टू यू. यू हॅव टू राईट डाऊन इन युअर नोटबुक ऑल्सो. There is a table of square of natural numbers from 1 to 100. It is very important also. You have to write down in your notebook also. Okay.
Good morning, students. We are studying lesson number 8, divisibility. In the previous lecture, we have seen 4 tests of divisibility. Divisibility means what? Whether a given number is divided by the other number with remainder 0 or not. That we have to check by divisibility test. So we have seen divisibility test for 2 numbers which have 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in the units place. Such numbers are divisible by 2. Divisibility test for 5. The numbers which have 0 or 5 in the units place are divisible by 5. 0 or 5 in the units place. Then such numbers are divisible by 5. Then divisibility test for 10. If a number has 0 in the units place, then that number is divisible by 10. And the new test that we have studied is divisibility test for 3. How to check whether a number is divisible by 3 or not? Just add the digits in that number. In the given number, add all the digits. If this sum is divisible by 3, then the given number is also divisible by 3. So like this we have to check whether a number is divisible by 3 or not. For 2, 5 and 10, the test is for units place digit. And for 3, the test is that take the sum of all the digits in that number. Now let's see the 2 new tests, divisibility test for 4 and divisibility test for 9. So for 4, again some examples are given. A number is given, divide the number by 4, means first we have to do actual division. And is it completely divisible? We have to say yes or no. Then in the third column, we have to tell the number formed by the digits in the tens and units place. Tens and units place means last 2 digits. Is it divisible by 4 or not? Is this number divisible by 4 or not? So first example is 992. So first we will do actual division. 992 divided by 4. 4 2s are 8, 1, 9. Then 4 4s are 16. 3, 2. 4 8s are 32. Means this number is divisible by 4. Now last 2 digits. It is 92. So is 92 divisible by 4? 4 2s are 8. 1 2. 4 3s are 12. Yes, 92 is divisible by 4. Another example. 7314. 7314. First we will do actual division. 4 1s are 4. 3 3. 4 8s are 32. 1 1. 4 2s are 8. 3 4. 4 8s are 32. So this number is not divisible by 4 because remainder is not 0. Now check the last 2 digits. 1 4 14. So orally we can check this 14 does not come in the table of 4. Means this number is not divisible by 4. Then last 2 digits means 14. This is also not divisible by 4. Now next one. 6448. Let's check with actual division. 4 1s are 4. 4 6s are 24. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. Means this number is divisible by 4. Yes. Now which are the last 2 digits? 4 8 48. 48 is divisible by 4. Yes. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So what do you observe? If a number is divisible by 4, its last two digits are also divisible by 4. Means if one number is given to you, so you just check the last two digits. If the last two digits are divisible by 4, then the complete number will also be divisible by 4. Means no need to do big divisions. Next, 8116. 8116. Divide by 4. 4 2s are 8. Then this 1. 4 zeros are 0. Again this one now. 4 2s are 8. 3. This 6. 4 9s are 36. So this number is divisible by 4. Now check the last two digits. It is 16. 16 is also divisible by 4. Now here odd number is there. So it is not divisible by 4. And 73 also odd number. So not divisible by 4. Remember that only even numbers will be divisible by 4. But not all the even numbers. बट जो भी डिवाइड होंगे 4 से वो इवन ही रहेंगे, ऑड बिल्कुल नहीं रहेंगे. नाउ द लास्ट वन 3024. लेट्स चेक विथ एक्चुअल डिवीजन. डिवाइड बाय 4. 4 7s are 28. 2 2. 4 5s are 20. 2 4. 4 6 are 24. Means 3024 is divisible by 4. Last two digits 24. 4 6 are 24. So 24 is also divisible by 4. So what test we observe here? If the number formed by the digits in tens and units place of the number is divisible by 4, then that number is also divisible by 4. If the number formed by tens and units place means last two digits number is divisible by 4, then the whole number is divisible by 4. Now the last test, divisibility test for 9. So here divide the number by 9 means first we have to do actual division and then sum of the digits in the number. Means this is just like the divisibility test of 3. 3 के टेस्ट में भी हम सारे डिजिट्स का सम लेते हैं, एडिशन लेते हैं. तो अगर दिए हुए नंबर के डिजिट्स का एडिशन 9 से डिवाइड हो सकता है तो वो पूरा नंबर भी 9 से डिवाइड जरूर होगा. सो सम एग्जांपल्स आर देयर. 5054. Let's see actually 5004. Is it divisible by 9? 9 5s are 45. 5 0. 9 5s are 45. 5 4. 9 6 are 54. So if we do actual division then it is divisible. Now take the sum of the digits. 5 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4. How much? 9. 9 is divisible by 9. Yes. Next one. 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 8 plus 9. So 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 8 18. 18 plus 3 21. 21 plus 3 24. 24 is divisible by 9? No, 24 does not come in the table of 9. Now we will see whether this number is divisible by 9 or not. 1 3 3 8 9. So 9 1s are 9. 4 3. 9 4s are 36. 7 8. 9 8s are 72. 6, 9. 9 sevens are 63. Means what? This number is not divisible by 9. और उसका सम भी 9 से divisible नहीं है. Now the next example. 7 plus 5 plus 7 plus 8. This sum is 27. 27 is divisible by 9? Yes. Now let's see the actual division. 9 8s are 72. 3 7. 9 4s are 36. 1 8. 9 2s are 18. Means actual division is also possible and the sum of the digits are also divisible by 9. Now the last example. 6 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 3. So 6 plus 3 is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. So 4 9s are 36. 36 is divisible by 9. Now let's see the actual division. 6 999 3. Okay, 9 7s are 63. 6 9. 9 7s are 63. 6 9. 9 7s are 63. 6 3. 9 7s are 63. Means this number is actually divisible by 9. So from this, what do we conclude from this? The conclusion is that if the sum of the digits of a number is completely divisible by 9, then the number is also divisible by 9. So for 4 and 9, which divisibility test we have observed? If a number is divisible by 4 or not, how we will check? If the last two digits are divisible by 4, then the complete number is also divisible by 4. And for 9, we have to take the sum of all the digits in that number. If the sum is divisible by 9, then this complete number is also divisible by 9. So for 3 and 9, the test is similar. And for 4, you have to check the last two digits. 4 में भी टोटल मत कर देना. ओके, टोटल कब करनी पड़ती है? फॉर 3 and 9. If we have to check whether a number is divisible by 3 and 9. Now two more divisibility tests which are not in your syllabus but just for general knowledge I will tell you. Divisibility test for 6. If the given number is divisible by 2 as well as 3, then the number is divisible by 6 also. अगर दिया हुआ नंबर 2 से भी डिविजिबल है और 3 से भी डिविजिबल है तो वो पक्का 6 से भी डिविजिबल होता है. How to check with 2? Check the last digit. It should be 24680. And how to check with 3? Sum of the digits, addition of the digits. और अगर 2 और 3 दोनों से डिविजिबल है तो 6 से भी पक्का होगा. And the same type of test is for 12. If the given number is divisible by 3 and 4 both, then the number is divisible by 12 also. Understood? So you have to make a list of these divisibility tests in your notebook. I will send you the picture of the divisibility test. And in the next lecture, we will start with practice set 22. All these tests you have to revise, learn and make a list of the test today. Understood? Thank you.